Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut templates to create amazing videos in just few taps. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and on the home screen, tap on the Templates tab at the bottom. Then, browse or search for a template using the keywords like trending 2025, photo edit, birthday, and more. And once you find one that you like, tap on it, then tap Use Template. Select the required number of clips or photos from the gallery. Tap Review and CapCut will automatically generate your video using that template. You can also make a small edits and tap the export to save or share your creation. And that's how you use CapCut templates to make stunning videos fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.